हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, गुड मॉर्निंग। अब आई थिंक आप सभी सेफ और हेल्दी होंगे, राइट? सो आज हम नया चैप्टर शुरू करेंगे, द चैप्टर नंबर 6, दैट इज एप्लीकेशन ऑफ डेरिवेटिव, राइट? So, in previous lectures, we have done the chapter number 5, that is derivative. Now, we are doing the chapter number 6, that is application of derivative. Means हम डेरिवेटिव को कहाँ पे अप्लाई करेंगे, राइट? सो let us start with the chapter application of derivative. So first topic is rate of change of quantities. This is your first topic, rate of change of quantities. As you know, we can write dy over dx. What does it mean? It means rate of change of y with respect to x, with respect to x. Similarly, as you know, the rate of change of displacement, that is, you know, this is velocity, that is rate of change of displacement with respect to time t. This is also the rate of change of. So try to understand rate of change of quantity, this s, with respect to time t, right? Similarly, what is acceleration? Acceleration is rate of change of velocity with respect to t, dv over dt. Okay. Similarly, this is dv over dt. What does it mean? Rate of change of volume v, rate of change of v with respect to time t, right? So this is the concept, rate of change of quantities, right? To understand the topic rate of change of quantities, let us take examples, right? So I am taking example number 2 of miscellaneous NCERT book. The volume of cube is increasing at the rate of 9 cubic centimeter per second. How fast is the surface area increasing when length of edge is 10 centimeter, right? So let us solve it. Let capital V be the volume and capital S be the surface area of cube, right? As we know, it is given in the question that the volume is increasing at the rate of this. It means the rate of change of volume with respect to time t, this is given to you, that is 9 cubic centimeter per second. This is given, right? And we have to find ds by dt, means the rate of change of surface area with respect to t. You have to find this, right? So as we know, the volume of cube is, it is cube, right? It is cube. So the volume of cube is x cube. Let the x be the length of edge, right? So volume is x cube. Now differentiate both sides with respect to t. So we get dv over dt here, and its differentiation is 3x square into dx by dt, right? Now put the value of dv by dt, that is 9 cubic centimeter per second, and which is equal to 3x square dx over dt, right? So from this we have to find dx by dt. What is dx by dt? That is 9 over 3x. So let us consider this as equation 1. Now, as we know, the surface area of total surface area of cube, that is S, is equal to 6x square, right? Now differentiate with respect to t. This is ds by dt, it is equal to 12x into dx by dt, right? Now put the value of dx by dt here from the equation 1. We have ds by dt, it is equal to 12x into 9 over 3x square, right? One x is cancelled and one 3 is cancelled. You will get 36 upon x. But it is given that the length of edge is 10 centimeter. So when x is equal to 10 centimeter, so therefore rate of change of surface area with respect to time t, that is 36 over 10. So its answer is 3.6, and what is the unit? Unit is centimeter square per second. So this is the right answer, that is the rate of change of surface area with respect to time t. Okay, now example number 3 is a stone is dropped into quiet lake and waves move in circles at the speed of 4 centimeter per second. At any instant, when the radius of the circular wave is 10 centimeter, then how fast is the enclosed area increasing? मीन्स जब हम एक क्वाइट लेक में स्टोन फेंकेंगे तो वेव्स बनेगी सर्कुलर फॉर्म में, राइट? उसकी स्पीड दी हुई है, मीन्स उसकी जो एक्सपेंड होने की का रेट गिवन है, और आपको ये बताना है कि उसका एरिया जो है वो किस रेट से इंक्रीज हो रहा है, कितनी तेजी से इंक्रीज हो रहा है जब उसकी radius 10 centimeter थी, right? So let us solve it. As you know, when the waves like this circular form, so there is a radius, let r be the radius of the circle, right? So it means जो इसका वेव्स बन रही हैं वो किस स्पीड से इंक्रीज हो रही है? इट मींस गिवन क्या है आपके पास? गिवन dr by dt है. dr by dt कितनी है? 4 सेंटीमीटर पर सेकेंड, राइट? अब हमें क्या फाइंड करना है? टू फाइंड dA over dt. This area is A, right? So dA by dt you have to find. Now, so it is very simple. As you know, the area of circle is pi r square. You know it very well. Area of circle is pi r square. Now differentiate with respect to t. So what is the differentiation of A? dA upon dt, and the differentiation is 2 pi r into dr over dt. Now dr upon dt is given, that is 4 centimeter per second. So put the value here. So the value of dr upon dt is equal to 2 pi r into 4, that is 8 pi r. Now radius is given to you. So when radius is 10 centimeter, the value of dA upon dt, that is equal to 8 pi into 10, that is 80 pi. And what is the unit? Unit is centimeter square per second. So the किस रेट से ये इंक्रीज और एरिया इंक्रीज हो रहा है? ये एरिया इंक्रीज हो रहा है 80 पाई सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर पर सेकंड के रेट से, राइट? नाउ एग्जांपल नंबर 4 इज the length x of a rectangle is decreasing at the rate of 3 cm per minute and width y increasing at the rate of 2 cm per minute. When x is 10 cm and y is 6 cm, find the rates of change of firstly the perimeter and secondly the area of a rectangle. So rectangle में x है length और y है width, right? It means what is given here, given आपके पास दिया है dx by dt. dx by dt जो है वो डिक्रीज हो रही है. नोट दिस पॉइंट, डिक्रीजिंग. डिक्रीजिंग का मतलब है इट इज नॉट 3, इट इज -3 सेंटीमीटर पर मिनट, राइट? दिस इज -3 and the value of dy by dt means width is increasing. Width is increasing. Increasing means it is +2, that is 2 centimeter per minute, right? Now first part, perimeter. First part perimeter. Perimeter को p से डिनोट करते हैं. So let P is, what is the perimeter of a rectangle? You know, 2 into length plus breadth, right? So P, the value of P is this. Now differentiate with respect to T. With respect to T, what will we get? dP over dt is equal to 2 into dx by dt plus dy over dt. Now the values are given, so when you put these values, we have 2 into, it is -3, this is +2, so its answer is -2 centimeter per minute. It means जो आपका पेरीमीटर